Hello everybody, Listen Bunny 99 aka Elizabeth Dawson here. Welcome back for more video games lesson video. Before we get started, the video game, I like to show you there are two things on today's board. The first one, this young lady's here. She only asked me to sign to bring the bear. Sorry, I don't say the names right. The word right I meant. So you will hear that I talk about. After this young lady told me all her about a little bit, and also she explained that she want the character from the movie back to the Disney theme parks around the world. She explained everything what happened. I'm so sorry. She really like the character from the movie and stuff. And also, if you guys are a fan of it, please sign for today and don't forget to take the next step. There are two choices. That's what I talk about. It's up to you, to make this young lady happy. And we go another one. If you guys are a fan of Smash Mountain Way from Disney World known as Magic Kingdom and Disneyland, I'll be honest, Smash Mountain is my most favorite ride at Disneyland, because I was in my preteen. If you guys are a fan of it, sign. And also reach out to others. If you guys are a fan of it, sign for today. And also, to take your time read this. Okay, this guy and the others give away history, and also that movie is almost based on a book of short stories. And please show your support and let Disney know. In order, we had to get a chance to say Smash Mountain Ride. Same thing. Take the next step. There are two choices. Right here, you see it. Please sign the two on today's order. Don't give up. Please, guys. If you love this ride and the character from the movie and stuff, please sign for today. If you guys are really a fan of. Okay, let's get back to the video game lesson. As a reminder, all these videos and this lesson are spoiler word ahead. Please play all your favorite video games and everything else first before watching this video. So take your time before watching this video and not going nowhere. And remember, we had a lot of upcoming games that came out and DLC as well. Just when them take their time, just wait, okay? There are a lot of things had a good plan. And also, if I go too fast, you had to look it up on the name of the game console for yourselves. If you want to, that's okay. Just take your time. One last thing, keep the eye on the name of the game and the date where it came out by any different game console. So, this was really a lot of fun. Let's get started. If you guys had a question if you're curious, please comment. Okay. Who's a fan of Kingdom Hearts? Kingdom Hearts? Anyone? Please comment. Okay. Just okay. Remember that game that Markiplier used to play that game? That was so freaking. It was so funny. Really not that. I remember back the one. I remember that. We used to do that on PlayStation 1 already, and now as in they some of the older games are back to PlayStation. Just wait for the next year. Any of you guys are a fan of Fight Nights at Freddy's? Pretty common. Well, my friends and some of my friends of mine are a fan of it. I gotta go. I had to set it up before next video. Bye.